Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create account on Telegram. Now let's begin. First of all, you need to download Telegram application on your mobile phone. For that, you go to Google Play Store. Once you've opened Google Play Store, you tap on search bar and type in Telegram and then search. You can see at the very top there's Telegram application. Now you can see at the right side there's install option given. You tap on install. Once the application is fully installed in your phone, you tap on open. And this is the beginning of the Telegram application, the world's fastest messaging app. Here you tap on start messaging. Telegram. Please allow Telegram to receive calls or that we can automatically confirm your phone number. Tap on OK. Allow Telegram to make and manage phone calls. You can tap on allow or either you can tap on deny. To create account on Telegram, you need to provide your phone number. For that, first of all, you choose your country code. Once you've chosen your country code, you provide your phone number. Once you've typed in, you tap in the next arrow. Allow Telegram to access your phone call. You tap on allow. After you provided your phone number, Telegram is gonna send you a verification code to your phone. After you receive the code, you copy that code and paste it over here and then click on next. Here you need to provide your first name and your last name. You tap on first name and then provide your first name. And then on second you tap and provide your last name. After that you tap on next. And here you can see you have created your Telegram account. Now from here you can call and message to the people nearby or your friends and family. Hope this video was useful to you. Thank you.